Hi, I'm Baptiste from Azumuta, and today I will be explaining you about what you can do with videos and Azumuta to create your procedures more easily. Um, so this is the Azumuta application. The application can ingest multiple camera views. Then you can create from a certain time window, you can create your run and say, okay, now from this snippet, I want to create a procedure fully automated. So first of all, this is something that you will be installing on a workstation or on a computer at your factory. And then you can add multiple types of cameras. So we support a high variety of cameras, so network cameras. You can use webcams, you can use a GoPro, you can use smart glasses, for example, or even just your phone to create these videos. And they will all be ingested on a timeline like this. Now, if I say, okay, I want to use a specific camera from all the feeds that I'm recording, I want to use this specific camera to create a procedure from, you can just say, okay, I want to use this camera. And then you can say, okay, I want to add a run. And it will create the analysis view from this specific snippet. Let's go to a demo I prepared here. So this is a demo from a camera. It's a camera that was mounted on top of the workstation and was recording the whole procedure. And so from this video, we can then say, okay, well, I want to do an analysis with the VLM, and it will create a procedure. These VLMs are pre-trained VLMs on manufacturing data. They are trained on a large set of manufacturing data, but they can also be fine-tuned according to your own company specifications and your own company data sets. So we can fine-tune them on that. You can also fine-tune them in real time. This is by giving a prompt and saying, for example, in the context of this work instruction, we want to use those and those terms. If we name certain things, for example, a screwdriver, we just don't want to say a screwdriver, but this is a specific tool or it has a specific name. You can actually do this by prompting it extra. Then once you are, so the VLM as well. So the VLM is running in the cloud, or it can also be hosted on your on local environments. So then when you send the video to the VLM, it will create a full procedure, and this procedure will be created just with the video. You can also use voice, but you don't need voice. You can choose. And so the VLM will analyze the whole video and will create it from this. So here you have an example. So here we can see, okay, load the fuel tank into the fixture. That's what the person is doing. Then the next step is adjust the fuel tank in the fixture, so it will be adjusted. And then the next step, you can see secure the fuel tank with clamps. And you can see that there is a color difference here. And the color difference is another type of category. So you can support multiple categories, for example, machine time, person A time, person B time. So you can differentiate between people, you can differentiate between what's going on. And so that's what's happening here. And so we can indicate that there. So this is how the complete procedure will be built out. And then once you're done, you can send it over to Azumuta, where you can enhance what you want to explain to your operators. And so because this video only contains the snippets, but then you can say, okay, I want to add an extra detail. For example, a photo of a detailed clamp or something, and how you can use it. So, or for example, personal protective equipment, you can add it to your procedure in the Azumuta interface. And that's important because this will get you 80% there, but then you need to fine-tune another 20%, and you are fully able to do that in the Azumuta application. So yeah, this was a quick run-through. Read all of the details on our website, where we talk through all the technical details. This is also part of the Azumuta Labs, so if you want to collaborate with us, feel free to send us your case over, and we will take a look at it and see how we can help you. So yeah, become part of the community and share your ideas with us, and we will have a look at them. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.